Fancy throwing a dinner party but hate all the hassle that comes with planning a menu for all those different dietary requirements? You might have a head full of exciting food ideas, but Fiona's celiac, Marina's Muslim, Kurt's lactose intolerant. Oh, and remember Jeremy absolutely hates seafood. What a headache. But it needn't be. The Indulge Me FOOD app is an easy-to-use app where you can invite guests and then plan your event by choosing from thousands of recipes which will be filtered for you based on all your guests' requirements. Here's how. First off, choose the theme. Are you more of a garden party person, or are fancy dinner parties more your style? Name your event and set the time and location, and you're good to go. Invite your friends through your contacts list or via Facebook. And if they don't already have the app, Indulge Me FOOD will offer them the chance to download it, or they can simply enter their details and dietary requirements. Now comes the fun part, putting your menu together. The app will show you a whole party's dietary requirements and offer you a vast choice of recipes which cater for all of them. Jerk chicken? Steak fajitas? The choices are endless. Make your menu as simple or as lavish as you fancy. The app will then create a shopping list for you based on your chosen menu. And you're done. All you need to do now is whip up those ingredients into your sumptuous meal. Download Indulge Me FOOD today.